Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram live screen not working. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the Play Store application, tap on the search bar from the top and search Instagram. Update your Instagram if it's not updated by simply tapping on the update option available here. In my case, Instagram is already updated, so there's no update option here. After updating the Instagram application, go back to the home screen of your mobile and open the device settings. In the settings, scroll down and tap on the apps option. Then tap on see all numbers of apps. Here scroll down and look for Instagram. Tap on it. Select the storage and cache option. Tap on clear cache. Now go back and tap on the permission option. In app permission settings, select the camera option. Enable the option allow only while using the app by tapping on the small circle beside it. The access has been provided to your Instagram's camera. After completing all these steps, open your Instagram application and check if the issue has resolved. And this is how you can fix Instagram live screen not working.